All right. Taking a little break from watching Poker After Dark to film the snow. Not too bad on the mailbox this time. Snow is coming down from behind the house. There is our lovely shovel with our gate. I normally have 3 steps here, but now it just seems like one big one. And look at the neighbor's fence and the garbage can. You can see, you get a good reading on exactly how much snow we got. And as you can see, it's still snowing. They've already plowed 2 times, and you can't even tell. And that was about an hour ago.